Place your index fingers gently on your upper nose bridge. Apply light pressure and smoothly move your fingers downward to the base of your nose and then gently move right back up to the starting point. Repeat this relaxing motion a few times. Regular massage can help contour and define the bridge of the nose. Gently place your middle finger beside your smile line to anchor the skin. With the thumb of your opposite hand, start at the base of your nose. Smoothly glide upward along the side, stopping at the inner corner of your eye. Repeat this soothing sweep a few times and switch to the other side. It helps soften and release tension around the nasolabial folds. Using your middle ring finger, start at the base of your nose on one side, gently glide up, cross over the upper bridge, then sweep down to the base on the opposite side. Immediately follow with your other hand, sweeping in the reverse direction. Keep alternating hands moving smoothly from the right to left, left to right. Then glide from nasolabial folds up to ear. Place one hand flat over your chin, lower lip to anchor the skin, prevent any pebble chin wrinkling. With your other hand, gently pinch your nose closed. Now fill your upper cheeks with air, puffing them out fully. Hold the stretch for a few seconds and gently release. Repeat few times to build the cheek volume. Drop your jaw to form a long O shape with your mouth to create a natural stretch. Place the middle and index finger of both hands at the base of your nose, applying gentle pressure. Smoothly glide your fingers upward along the sides, stopping at the bridge and inner corners of your eyes. Release and reset. Repeat this lifting sweep a few times. Bend your index fingers and place the smooth knuckles right at the base of your nose with a gentle but firm pressure. Slowly glide your knuckles upward along the side of your nose until you reach the upper bridge. Lift your hand, rest at the bottom. Repeat this deep upward sweep. Drop your jaw into a long O shape to naturally stretch your face. Bend your index fingers. Place the smooth sides of your bent knuckles on the outer edges of your nose. With a firm pressure, massage inward toward the center, targeting the nasalis muscle. Release the pressure, reset and repeat this inward sculpting motion a few times. The firm inward pressure acts as a mini lymphatic drainage massage, reducing fluid buildup in the midface. Bend the index finger of one hand to use the smooth knuckle. Use your opposite hand index finger to gently anchor the bridge of your nose. Place your bent knuckle on the side of your nose over the nasalis muscle. Apply gentle pressure and massage in a small relaxing circular motion. Do this a few times to release tension, then switch hands. Repeat on the other side. It releases bunny lines, targeted tension relief. Gently clasp your hands together in front of you, leaving only your thumbs free. Place the pads of both thumbs right at the inner corner of your eyes. Apply a gentle, comforting pressure. Slowly glide your thumbs straight up toward the inner edges of your eyebrows. Release, reset at the bottom. Repeat this relaxing upper sweep a few times. In depuff, tear ducts, subtle brow lift, relieves eye strain. Keep your hands comfortably clasped together with your fingers interlaced and place the pads of both thumbs on the sides of your nose bridge. Applying light even pressure, smoothly glide your thumbs upward along the sides of your nose. Glide up to the inner corner of eyes. Place your fingers flat against your mouth and lower face to firmly anchor the skin. Extend your thumb to the base of your nose, applying gentle pressure. Slowly glide your thumb upward along the side of your nose until you reach the inner corner of your eye. Release, reset and repeat this upper sweep a few times before switching to the other side. It clears sinus congestion, depuffs inner eyes. Drop your jaw to form a slight O shape to keep the skin gently stretched. Place one index finger right at the base of your nose. Smoothly glide it upward along the bridge. As it reaches the top, immediately follow it with the index finger of your other hand, starting from the base and sweeping up. Keep this continuous hand over hand lifting motion going. Repeat this alternating upward sweep a few times. It smooths bunny lines, lifts and skull, reduces midface tension. Place your middle and index finger horizontally across the bridge of your nose to firmly anchor the skin. Drop your jaw to form a tight O shape with your lips. While keeping your fingers pressed firmly in place, stretch your mouth wide into a ha shape. Keep your fingers still as you alternately switch between O and wide stretch. With one hand, gently pinch the bridge of your nose using your thumb and index finger. Place the index finger of your other hand horizontally right below your nose to anchor the upper lip. While holding your fingers firmly in place, drop your jaw to form a tight O shape with your mouth to feel the deep stretch across your midface. Then release. Repeat this stretching motion a few times. Using your thumb and index finger, gently pinch the upper bridge of your nose right at the nasal bone. While holding that firm but gentle grip, slowly tilt your head backward, look straight up toward the ceiling. Hold this position few seconds to feel the stretch along the front of your neck. Slowly bring your head back down, release and repeat. Place your 3 fingers flat against the side of your nose, applying gentle pressure. Massage the area in a small, soothing circular motion. Continue these relaxing circles a few times and switch hand. Repeat on the other side. It releases deep tension, softens smile lines. Place the middle fingers of both hands right beside the base of your nostrils. Apply firm but gentle pressure directly inward. Hold that pressure for just a moment, then completely release. Repeat this simple pressing releasing motion a few times. Place your index and middle fingers horizontally on both sides of your upper nose bridge, right along the nasal bone, keeping a firm but gentle pressure to anchor the skin. Slowly tilt your head backward, look up toward the ceiling, hold a stretch for a brief moment, then slowly bring your head back to the center. Repeat this a few times. Relax your jaw into a slight O shape. Place the tips of both index fingers right at the base of your nostrils. Press your index fingers firmly inward toward the center and then gently push upward, actively lifting the muscle. Place your index finger horizontally right at the very base of your nose, above your upper lip. Apply firm and gentle pressure. Push the base of your nose from the side to side. Shift it smoothly from the right side through the center over to the left. Continue this horizontal side to side pressing motion a few times to release any stiffness. Place the lengths of your index fingers flat against both sides of your nose bridge. Apply light pressure. Briskly glide your fingers up and down. Keep this continuous warming up and down motion going for several seconds to stimulate the entire nasal area.